Hi and welcome back. And in the last episode I got the engine and gearbox fitted and I'm really happy with how it looks, but before I start fitting the carb and the exhaust and all the other stuff to get this thing running again, I thought it was a really good opportunity to whip out the Revopoint Pop 3 and scan the bay because I've got a couple of ideas that I want to pursue in the future. So let's get on with it. So obviously I'm going to need my 3D scanner. Like I say, it's a Revopoint Pop 3 that you would have seen a couple of months ago when I scanned my cylinder head. You need something to scan, and this is the engine bay, which is looking pretty good. And a laptop, and definitely a cup of tea and some glasses if you need them. So with all that, I'm going to get everything set up and we'll get scanning. It's quite strange learning how to scan because I'm looking more at the screen on my laptop than I'm actually the area that I'm scanning. I'd say it's similar to spray painting, how you move around, but there's definitely a technique to it. So using the software, I'm just going to get rid of any awkward spots or misscans that I know are there. Shouldn't take me too long. Now using the software, it should pick up on particular areas, noticeable details, and attach all these pieces together. Pretty good that it can do this. So a couple of hours of finessing the scans and putting something together, I think I've actually got done quite well there. I wasn't sure what the result would be. It's definitely picked up more than what I thought it would. I need to have a look at some of the sprays for the black, like the rocker cover and the strut tops, which didn't really pick up. But I mean, I'm still learning this as I go. But I think this is going to be a pretty good scan and a model that I can then put parts on and check for clearance, which is entirely what it's there for. It's not really there to get dimensional tests. It's more about using it as a book to, like, if I put a certain exhaust manifold on or inlet manifolds, how much clearance have I got? And I think that is perfect for what I'm going to do with it. So I hope you found that interesting. Be interested to see what you think I should scan next. I'd definitely like to do the engine block and a few other bits and pieces for the engine to make that a bit more engine specific. But what else do you think I should scan? Let me know, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.